Hi everybody, Dan Bobet here. I'm out at the range today. Yeah, well, we had a couple of snowmageddon days here in Texas, so it gave me a chance to work on a couple of things. Let me show you what I've been working. I'm out here with my trusty dog, Toby, and my other trusty dog who's way out there. She needs to come back, Lucy. But down here, I got these great little targets. And varmints is sometimes what we need to shoot around here. So I wanted something low, something small, and so here we have these little targets here, and they're mounted in such a way that they'll swing when you hit them. So they'll make noise and they'll swing. So now what I mounted them to is some extrusions that I took from inside the house when we redid the bathroom. So, and also you see the similar kind of thing I did with some bowling pins I got from the bowling alley. Check this out. Yeah, these all swing in the breeze, and I wanted to make sure that they were separated by something. So I have these little spinners here in case somebody misses. I don't know who would miss. They're hard to miss. But anyway, so that's what I've been doing, and that's all set up to go. I still have room on my range for other targets, and I have my old steel up here, which I really need. There's Lucy. Hi, Lucy. You're a good girl. Yeah. My other targets up here. I need to clean up a little bit, but yeah, it's not too bad. So that's what's happening around Dan's ranch. Please, around Dan's shop, please like and subscribe, and we'll talk to you next time. Bye-bye.